Hello there.
We are in Miami.
Yeah.
So what are we about to do?
We are about to do a little Cuban, little Havana tour.
Yeah, with Miami Culinary Tours. And we are going to be trying various Cuban food along Calle Ocho. And it starts over here at the Tower Theater. So we're going to give you a shot of that. We tried to stand in front of it, but we were too backlit. So, alright, this is our meeting spot with our guide. We have already talked to him. He called to check to make sure we didn't have any allergies or any food restrictions. So we're good to go. And in just about 15 minutes, we should be meeting up with him. Alright, we'll show you the first meeting spot. Alright guys, we're just gonna walk down the road and kind of give you a visual of where we're at. This is gonna be the Cuban area in Miami. You can see there's a lot of shops and restaurants. So we are on Calle Ocho?
Yes.
Alright, so it's confirmed that we are on Calle Ocho. We were a little confused about where we were. Because we got here a little early. We will catch you guys up on how we got here a little bit later. I will let you know that we used public transportation the entire way. So we're super proud of ourselves, but it was a little bit challenging because we left 2 hours early and then we missed our rail, blah, blah, blah. We'll tell you more later once it's a little quieter. Okay, we'll see you guys later.
Oh, is that right?
Alright guys, this is Domino Park. So we just got done at La Terraza, right?
Oh, okay.
I think that's what it's called. We'll insert some pictures here. But we just had a mojito and a Cuban sandwich, and it was so good.
Yes, it was.
Mojito's my favorite drink, and this was my favorite mojito I ever had. Yeah, it wasn't sweet. It was perfectly balanced. It was really good. And then we had the Cuban sandwich, and I really liked it. It was so big. All right, we gotta go. Bye.
I just need you to be close to me so you have a lahin. They can roll between 120 to 180 cigars every single day. Just please help me with a simple math. He has been working for much, okay? This is the one we name as colada. And this is the one we use for that social moment when we meet our friends. Because one colada always will come with these little plastic cups. Ahí está. Me, because here traffic is even worse. Ice cream, whatever you like. They're perfect all the way, and it's a lot of... La chica de Ipanema.
Hello.
Hi, we're walking back from our trip.
Hey, we haven't told you how we got there yet.
Yeah, so well, we kind of did a little bit.
Kinda.
But we're heading back to the hotel, and we'll sit down and talk to you guys some more once we're not outside in the wind and everything.
Yeah.
So,
Hotel.
yep, the Even Hotel right there. There. All right, talk to you guys later. We made it back to the hotel. Will's here, but he's so tired. We've had a really long day. So we want to back you guys up and let you know kind of what all happened today. So we flew out of Dallas on the 14th at 8:30 p.m. and we got to Miami at midnight. Now our hotel shuttle didn't run again until 7 this morning. And we could have Ubered over and gotten a hotel room for the night, but we thought, well, you know, we're just gonna be there for a couple hours. My hair is crazy, I'm sorry. It's been a day. But I was like, let's try it, because it saves us a little bit of money. We'll let you guys know how it is. So there's a lot of stuff that I want to talk about for the airport, but just to kind of go over what happened today. We got to the hotel and they said that they had an early check-in for $50 so that we could come upstairs and have a nap from like 7 to 10 when we needed to leave to go to our tour. So that we went ahead and took that off when we came up here. We took a nap, we got freshened up, and then we headed for our tour. We took the public transport to get over there, and that was a little stressful because we didn't know what we were doing, and then we were on a little bit of a time crunch, but we ended up getting over there in plenty of time. We took the train, we took the bus, we did everything. So we're professionals now. I'm just kidding. But anyways, so went on the tour, and so this tour was the Miami Culinary tour, and so he said it was the #1 tour in Miami. And so what you did was you went to all those various food places, and the first place we went, we got mojitos and we got a Cuban sandwich, and they were so good. That was the best mojito I have ever had. We went to a cigar shop, and then we went and we had coffees and empanadas, and then we had, oh my gosh, we had so many different things. So I might have to just put like the pictures in of everything that we had. We had pastilles that were made with guava. We had churros. We had, gosh, we had juice. We had guava juice. Gosh, we had a little bit of everything. And then the whole way, the guide is telling you like the history of everything, as far as like how Cuban people came over here and the history with like the revolution in Cuba and all that kind of stuff. So that was very interesting. That's really something that we've missed in some of the other tours we've done, is just having like a good history element. But this time definitely had a lot of history, lots of food, definitely worth, I think it was like $70 a person. And then you tipped your guide afterwards. So it worked out to be about really like $95 a person, is that right? No, $85 a person. I can't do math, I'm sorry. So then we got on a bus, and we took like the long way because we tried to get on this one bus, but then like the bus we were trying to get on never was coming, and then as we were walking to the other bus, the bus finally came. Anyways, it's fine. So we rode a bus, we got on the train, we came back, we walked back, and now we're at the hotel. We're gonna rest a little bit, and then who knows what we'll do. We'll probably not do anything. We're exhausted. But anyways, tomorrow we get on the Celebrity Summit, and I'm so excited. I've wanted to do a celebrity cruise and give it a try, and this will be our first one, and it's our first time really in Miami, so just a lot of firsts for us. But hopefully you guys will come with us on our cruise starting tomorrow, and that cruise series will start tomorrow. This is going to be our Miami tour day. All right, so we will see you later. We'll let you know if we get up anything else today.